you say, I used to play football, you are wrong. This is a wrong usage of used to. And if you say, I'm used to wake up early, you are also wrong. This is a wrong usage of be used to. Lastly, if you say she got used to drive at night, you are equally wrong. This is the wrong usage of get used to. These expressions are often confusing to many English learners. In this video, I'll teach you the correct way to use them in sentences. Let's begin with used to. We use it to talk about past habits. Past habits or situations. So when talking about past habits or situations that are no longer true, you use this, okay? Note that when using used to in a sentence, you must use the base verb. This is a base verb. Base verb is the shortest form of a verb. That means there's no ing, ed, es, or s. It is just plain the way it is. Okay, now while we look at examples here, I will explain further. Our first example is number 4. I used to play football every Saturday. This is a correct version of this wrong sentence. You can see we have used to and then base verb. So the structure for used to is used to plus base verb. Then every other thing you want to use to complete the sentence, okay? This is talking about a past habit or a past situation. It means I was playing football in the past, but now I don't play anymore. Okay, so it does not happen anymore. That is the reason for used to. Next, she used to live in a small village. We have used to and base verb, live. This talks about past situation. It means that in the past, I was living in a small village, but now I don't live there anymore. Next, they used to visit their grandparents every summer. Here we have used to and base verb, visit. This is something that was happening in the past. So it was like a past habit. We were doing it in the past and now we have stopped. So we no longer visit our grandparents every summer. Next, my father used to drink coffee every morning. This is talking about a past habit. My grandfather's past habit. So using used to here shows that he doesn't drink coffee every morning anymore. Okay, he has stopped it. So when talking about what someone was doing in the past and stopped, use used to express it, okay? Now, before we move on to the next one, note that used to can also be used in a negative sentence. For instance, instead of saying, I used to play football every Saturday, you can say, I didn't used to play football every Saturday. We can also use it to ask a question. For instance, you can say, did you used to play football? Now let's move on to the next one, be used to. Among these three expressions, used to is totally different, but be used to and get used to are similar in meaning. Let's look at how to use them. To be used to something means to be familiar or accustomed to something. So when you are familiar with something or you are accustomed to something, then you are used to it. So use it to express something that feels normal or usual to you, okay? To use it in a sentence, the structure is be used to plus noun, gerund. A gerund is an ing verb. functioning as a noun in a sentence. So this means that what makes this sentence wrong is wake. We don't use be used to with base verb. Now let's look at the correct sentences. Number 8, I'm used to waking up early for work. This sentence is correct. Now you can see we have be used to and a gerund, ing verb. This is what makes it be used to. The full form is am. I am used to. So this is be used to because am represents be in this sentence. I'm used to waking up early for work. We have various forms of be in English. They include am, is, was, are, were, being, and being. Now this sentence has to do with someone being familiar with waking up early. It means I am accustomed to waking up early for work. Next, she's used to speaking English with her colleagues. Here we have be used to plus a gerund. This represents be in this sentence. The full form is is. So this means she is used to speaking English with her colleagues. The sentence talks about being familiar. It is something that feels normal or usual. Next, we are used to the heavy traffic in this city. This sentence suggests that we are familiar with it or it is normal to us. Here we have used to and a noun phrase. This is a noun phrase, the heavy traffic. Be used to plus noun. Now, at this point, if this lesson is helpful to you, type yes in the comment section, okay? Before we move on, note that be used to can be used in present, past, or future action. We can also use it in negative sentence. This is an example for that. He isn't used to eating spicy food. This makes it negative. Whenever you have not in a sentence, the sentence is negative. This means that he is not familiar with it. Not familiar with eating spicy food. Okay, it is not normal to him. It does not feel comfortable with it. Okay, now let's look at the last expression, get used to. To get used to something means to become accustomed to it. So to become accustomed to something, it means you are becoming comfortable with it or you are already comfortable. Okay, now let's look at how to use it in a sentence. The structure is get used to plus a noun or a gerund. We don't use base verb for get used to. Let's look at 4 examples to understand better, okay? First example here, you will get used to your new school soon. Here we have get used to and a noun phrase, your new school. Get used to plus a noun phrase. Now the sentence is talking about becoming comfortable or accustomed to the new school. Okay, next, she got used to driving at night. Here we have get used to and a gerund. And the sentence talks about someone becoming comfortable. It means she became comfortable driving at night. Next, they are getting used to working from home. We have get used to and a gerund. Now, what this sentence means is that they are becoming accustomed to working from home. They are becoming comfortable working from home. Last example, I finally got used to wearing glasses every day. Get used to and a noun phrase. Someone became comfortable wearing glasses. I got used to it, so it became normal. Please type yes in the comment section if this lesson is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next grammar class.